Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have a package from Madame Glam. Thank you, Madame Glam, for sending this over. This is their July collection. It is their anniversary, so these are special. They are celebrating, you know, their yearly roundup. I'm gonna do a set of nails with these, and I've got something in mind, but first let's look at them. So they've started shipping out in a different box. It used to be that flat box with the foam, but they've got this now, and here you can see the colors. I'm gonna take them out and we're gonna look at them one by one. All right, so this one is called a Glam Life collection, where a decade of style shines brightly in summer hues and confidence radiates in every shade. That is perfect, and a decade is a big deal. Did you guys know Madame Glam has been around for 10 years? Sorry if you can hear that siren, it's the weekly tornado tester. In this radiant getaway, celebration is in the heart of our summer vibe, and every shade dances with the joy of the season. Perfect. As you know, Madame Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, and 21 formula-free. Let's look at them. So they have changed the bottle style a little bit. It's still the same shape, but the label is different. Isn't this cute? I really like the new labels. And Madame Glam has changed their formula so that it does cure for 60 seconds. Now, don't do 30, do 60. You definitely want to make sure it is fully cured. This one is called Blue Jolie. So here's what this one looks like. They are all creams, and I really like cream shades because they're really great for opacity and nail art, which is going to be perfect for the look we're doing today. We have this one. Here's the label. This one's got butterflies. That other one had flowers. This one is called Pink Frenzy. Look at that. That is a hot bubblegum Barbie pink. If you're a pink fan, you'll love this one. In the viewfinder, it appears a little bit purple tinted, but that thing is never the same as real life. We've got this fun green one. It's got the Statue of Liberty on it. If you know the Statue of Liberty, let me know in the comments. This one is called Mojito. It is this vibrant lime neon-y style green. I love greens, and I feel like greens don't get enough credit, but we are going to use it. We've got this purple one. It also has the Statue of Liberty. It's called Birthday Bash, but contracted to B-Day Bash. There we go. So this one is one of those medium purples. It's not dark. It's also not like light and pastel. It's just right there in the middle, almost as if you would say it's like a dark lilac. Now we have this one. It's got flowers on it. It's a bit of a bluey greeny, like a light teal or a seafoam. Minty Mirage. That is pretty. I really like this shade. I find myself drawn to this shade. This one and other shades of blue and purple, like, look, I have it in my tattoo. It's the same. I'm a fan. Now we have a couple of lighter shades. This one got flowers on it as well. It's a bit of a nudie, pinky. It is called Chic Rose. Now, I know this word also could be pronounced chick, but I don't think it's Chic Rose. I think it's chic. Look at that. That is perfect. I was gonna need a nude in this set, and I think this is gonna be the one. But it does have some competition because we've got this guy here, butterflies on the label. This one is also a nudie shade. It is called Peach Fuzz. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, that's a really great nude as well. This one's just a little bit deeper, a little bit more orange. This is more like a summer nude. See, I'm a ghost, no matter what season it is. But this one is also perfect for a nude, especially in the warm weather. It's got that sun-kissed tone. Last but not least, we have this one. It's got flowers on it. It's called Cake Batter. And this one is the whitest of the shades, but it's not white. It is a cream, kind of an off-white, like a white cake batter. It's not super, super bright, but it is white enough that you could use it as a white and like nobody would question you. This is a really great staple shade, actually. So those are our colors. we're gonna do some nails, but first, let's put on a base coat. So we do have Madame Glam's Soak Off Base Coat. As you know, when working with gel, you do want to be really careful not to get it on your skin. You do not want to be tempting fate and creating allergies, and if you already have an allergy, you don't want to cause a reaction. I, personally, am allergic to gel polish, but not other forms of gel for some reason. I don't know, I haven't been able to get enough of the science together to make that determination, but I did do a video testing different brands of gel polish to see how reactive they are. If you're interested, I will leave you a link, but I might not, I might forget, but it's in my history, you can find it. There, we've got those on. Now I'm going to cure these 4 fingers. It is recommended to do your thumbs separately so that it's not laying sideways while it's curing and your polish isn't running to the side, so 60 seconds. All right, let's do that thumb real quick. All right, now they are ready to paint. We're gonna go in with this one, the Chic Rose, and I'm gonna put it on all of them. That's gonna be our base color for our nail art. You do wanna do uber thin layers, and we can do 2 of them. Okay, and then I'm going to cure those for 60 seconds before we do the thumb and the second coat. I will be back when I've got all of the coats on. All right, so look at that. That looks great, right? Now it's time for the nail art. So I'm going to put out some colors on a palette, and then we are going to start. We're going to make flowers. Let me pop up a picture of the inspo here so you get the idea of what we're going for, but obviously mine's gonna look different. The nail shape is different. And also, if you love this nail shape, comment, because I do. I am so obsessed with these. These are from eNail Couture, and they are called Mini Sculpted Coffin. I really wish I could get more nails with this kind of shape. I love that C curve, I love that arch, and I love that length. It's often really long nails that have these kinds of shapes, but I don't wear really long nails, so these were an amazing find. If I remember, of course, I'll put the link in the description for these as well if you want to get them. All right, we're gonna start over here, and I am going to do these in fast forward mode and then probably do a voiceover because my actual painting is gonna be super, super, super slow, and I'm gonna have to concentrate, and so I'm not gonna be able to talk at the same time. So, here we go. Okay, so we have got some paint. What do you think? They are flowers for sure. There are some spaces where I could probably fit in some more small ones, but I don't think I want to. I think this is probably enough. Let's go ahead and wipe this off. Get any sticky that is. Battery died suddenly, but that's all right. Okay, so we've got all that wiped off. Now it's time to top coat. It is Madame Glam top coat, no wipe. And just like with anything else, we want to be careful to put this only where we need it and not slop it off the edges. Go in with a thin coat. We don't need a super thick coat of top coat. This is just to seal everything in and make it shiny. All right, I'll cure that for 60 seconds and then we'll do the thumb after. Okay, so we've got all that on there. I am gonna go in with this file though and just crispen up my edges because as you know, gel can make them a bit fat and we wanna make sure they're not fat. I like straight lines. All right. So that's them. I am gonna go ahead and get you some photos and I will insert those here. Thank you so much, Madame Glam, for sending these over to me to try and to show. I think this is pretty cute. And thank you guys for watching my videos, especially if you've made it to the end. If you did, leave me a flower emoji in the comments. And also, let me know if you like these nails or what kind of nail design you would have done with these colors. It's summer, and these colors are perfect for summer. I really like how they complement each other, but they're also like vibrant and stand out on their own. I like it. Please do make sure you're checking my description. I have a link down there as well as a discount code. You can save some money. And also make sure you are following me on my socials. Those links are down there as well. That is where I will post things that sometimes don't make it over here, and so you want to be there for it. And then also make sure you are in my Amazon group on Facebook so that you can catch those discounts that I put in there as well. But that is it. I will wrap it up here. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.